Hi, my name is Laszlo. I am the owner of Morton Stones, and in this video we are installing beige Chicago style brick veneers in a yoga studio, and we even whitewashed the brick walls at the end. This project is all about creating a rustic yet elegant and inviting space, and our Chicago style bricks are the perfect fit. So let's roll.
Every project, we started with proper preparation. We did the proper layout and popped chalk lines to ensure a straight and level installation, then applied a bonding agent to the walls for maximum adhesion. Once the surface was ready, we set up our working area. We placed 2 buckets down with a plank across them to create a convenient spot to lay out the bricks and keep our workspace organized. The owner of the yoga studio expanded the space by cutting the concrete staircase in half, making room for a larger, more open area. Now, with the added space, this is how it's going to look. The rustic brick veneer wall will complement the natural, calming aesthetic of the yoga studio. As we keep bringing the bricks inside, our 5-man crew gets to work. One by one, the bricks go up using thin-set mortar, carefully placed to mimic the look of real reclaimed brick. Our thin brick veneers are made to look just as clay authentic Chicago bricks. We even have the old stamps on some of our bricks to enhance their authenticity. With 30 different color blends available, this job called for a beige mix with subtle brownish tones to create a natural aged appearance. After finishing the installation, including the areas around the windows and door headers, we moved on to whitewashing the brick. The owner wanted a medium to heavy whitewash, so we rolled on the hydrated line, white Portland cement, and water mixture to soften the color while still letting the texture of the bricks show through. Next, we grabbed our grout bags and started squeezing mortar into the joints, working our way across the entire wall. To achieve the rustic's old world look the owner envisioned, we skipped the usual concave tool finishing. Instead, we simply cut off the excess mortar and over-grouted the wall, giving it that imperfect, aged character you would expect from an old exposed brick structure. Now that the work is done, this is how the installation turned out. The combination of beige brick tones, whitewashing, and over-grouting gives this yoga studio a warm, vintage charm that feels both timeless and inviting.
As you can see, our beige Chicago-style brick veneers completely transformed this space, giving it a warm, rustic charm with a natural aged look. If you are looking to add authentic brick veneers to your home, business, or next renovation project, we have got you covered. We manufacture high quality thin brick veneers in over 30 color blends, and we ship nationwide with free shipping. So call us and order your free samples today. Check out our great selection, get a free quote, and let us help you bring the beauty of real brick to your space. Give us a call or visit our website to order today, and don't forget to like, comment, or even subscribe for more installation tips and project showcases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.